gonna get one.
Did I smash the tinted glasses on the street? Picks a fire with anyone. She never cares so many.
What's in my box? It's the worst in the city.
Well, I met this girl the other night. She's into guns to dynamite.
Those are some real nice muscles at 12 years old.
I get the younger generation because I'm just like them. Gotta stay woke ass.
My nickname is Lars. I'm in touch.
I wanna take your mental heart.
It wasn't you, Drunken. How does this keep happening to me?
Oh boy.
You want to take this?
Where's my damn bouncer at? I am the final form, proverbial alpha male!
Like reading up about airline disasters before hopping on a plane.
I'm here to save the family structure and obliterate the demo Nazis.
Pilots love it when you enter the cockpit and start hitting buttons.
I get the younger generation because I'm just like them. Gotta stay woke AF.
I'm flying to Vegas to marry a dancer with the same name as my ex just to rub it in her face.
Q sent me here.
That's not
me again,
I know the flight marshal.
What are you gonna do when the grid goes?
Step to me again and I'm telling everyone. You're not gonna believe what I got. This makes me look like a walking plane. I guess this is the price I paid for living in the USSA.
Q! Where are Ow!
Did you just say bomb?
Hold on, bro. Let me watch the two towers on my phone real quick.
I'm the reason why we had to emergency land that plane. That's it. This my hands are touching your face.
The inflate movies.
Time to follow me into the depths of hell, brother. I play for keeps.
I don't need to see my OBGYN.
You don't want to unleash the beast like my
I'm
parents.
buckling harder than buildings. This never happened.
Oh! Jennifer, I'm sorry!
The whole world.
Those are some real nice.
I've turned a new leaf, sir, and I'm. Use ain't first class like me, dog.
Even the nicest guys have their limits. Joaquin Phoenix, Joker.
I told you I'll pay the rent once I get signed to your label, dog.
the sucker do this?
Take home a prize today at our 9mm shooting gallery.
I'll blow you out.
A good name you a safe place for a couple of 6-year-olds running around right now.
In case anyone was wondering, I only date crisis actors with blue thighs.
They don't want you to know about.
Don't like my parenting style? Take a number, bud. This is what happens when you piss off Daddy. This isn't how I envisioned it.
My dad is here somewhere, and I'm going to finish what I started when I find him.
She was my Sunday, who didn't have Mondays. Now my whole week's falling apart. Show me I can keep her, but I didn't believe her. Never was exactly.
When I find my future children, they're grounded.
Take home a prize today at our 9mm shooting gallery.
Going from the streets to sleeping on a Ferris wheel is a luxury really only meant for us 1%ers.
You're destroying my breakout!
Having just been promoted at my IT job, I'm looking for a new place to live, and this park satisfies my inner child.
My artistry wrought into a master's degree only
I have
for
a confession to make. I like to expose myself to my 89-year-old neighbor.
Going from the streets to sleeping on a Ferris wheel is a luxury really only meant for us 1%. If I survive this... On second thought, this place attracts a lot of society's trash.
In case anyone was wondering, I only date crisis actors with blue thighs.
If humans had a system that provided for their every need, the first thing they would do is tear it all to pieces.
I'm getting sleepy. Might need to take a smoke break to wake up.
You couldn't hit that target if your life depended on it, and you look very suicidal. Keep walking. This is a game for athletes, not incels. You couldn't hit that target if your life depended on it, and you look very suicidal.
Somebody called me a shrew-faced hag when they lost the game. I don't know why.
The way you're dressed right now, I can't tell if you're here to pick up shit.
This is why we should union.
I just want to let you all know my surprise.
Okay, it's really just.
With a dog who's way behind on his rating
Ryan,
shots.
Duck, it'll barely be the only victory you will ever have in your life.
Did you just breathe on me? At least a dunk tank guy gets a bath every day. Healing pools are enough!
Are you trying
Piss
to
me
hurt
off
or
and
go
my
to
blood
war?
pressure won't be the only thing that'll be deadly.
I bet that piece of shit left me here because he didn't want to pay for my...
Look, brother, you gotta be as tall as Tom Cruise to ride this ride.
Does anyone know what time it is?
Why would I waste my armor
Anyone
piercing
else's
incendiary
legs feel it?
rounds meant only to start cutting on you?
This about Mark Wall's return policy? That's...
Someone as violent as you shouldn't be allowed to use fists.
Anyone else smell burnt toast?
The way you're dressed right now, I can't tell if you're here to pick up shit or kids. You couldn't hit that target if your life depended on it, and you look very suicidal.
Hey, what button do I press to talk?
Try and dunk me. It'll barely be the only victory you will ever have in your life. The way you're dressed right now, I can't tell if you're here to pick up chicks or kids. You couldn't hit that target if your life depended on it, and you look very suicidal. Hey, you can...
Like I'd ever bring you home to my
Try and
baby.
dunk me. It'll barely be the only victory you will ever have in your life.
This smile is the last thing my audience sees before the curtain draws. I'm a children's entertainer, and this is the part where they always cry.
Ah!
There's always next time to seed and breed.